Base camp. I really love this. Usually I'd have 2 trees. I put a ridge line, guy line, and then I'd attach these strings to put the tension on. But what I have done is just, I made a frame earlier. I put my bug net, my BV, my poncho, but I needed to put a fire underneath the tarp if it was raining. So here's a solution. Really love it, really like it. Very versatile. It started to rain this morning. I just laughed. All right, why don't we go check up on one of my traps. This is an old trail that I reopened. Actually, I cleaned up the trail. I reopened it. I don't know what it was used for. Just hope it was not an old cemetery. No, but let's go check out the trap. Where? Okay, there. Yeah, this is an old trail. Looks like an old hunter's trail. Oh, where? Doesn't look like it. Oh, see nothing. We've got set off right here. Should be around here. Just don't want to. Where are you, Trappy? Wow. Oh, there it is. I don't know if it's perfect. I use a pretty big branch. So that's the spring device. That's paracord, I don't know. And what I did, I attached 2 sticks together and I really put them down very solidly into the ground. I attach a little toggle on a hair trigger on this stick and that frame. So as the animal comes to eat, I won't do it, comes to eat this, which is a lot of raisins. I don't know, he's gonna come along and maybe see it. As soon as you move this, the snare that I just set up right here, we'll just grab him and boop, kill the damn thing so we can eat some meat. All right, there was 2 trails conjunction here, so it's pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time at Survive Alex for Bushcraft Survive Alex. Thank you very much.